This is one of my Red Hat server, and here while I am trying to log into the root user's password, it is not working. Okay, let me tell you, previously also I have lost the root user's password and resetted the root user's password in single user mode, but here I am trying to log in with the new password and still it is not working. So in this video we are going to troubleshoot why this is happening and why the root user's password is not working. We will discuss step by step. So friends, before starting this video, let me tell you I am going to start a new RHCSA batch and the course fee is only 999. And it's a new batch I'm going to start, and these are the course highlight. The course is 100% job oriented and practical, and you have to attend 20 classes, and each class duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's a online class, and if you are registering you will get a all class recording as well as PDF material you will get. So course fee is very nominal, that is only 999. If you really interested to learn Linux, please go to my comment section and register yourself. Let me start the video again. So here, as I told you, root password is not working. To fix this error and check, we have to start the server in single user mode again. Restart the server. And this is the kernel prompt. If you want to start the server in single user mode, here you need to press E, go to the kernel and go to the end of the file line, remove RHGB quit, add init is equal to slash bin slash bash and press Ctrl X. It will start the server in single user mode. So what we will do, this is the single user mode. First we will check the root users root users details using the Chage command, chage -l root. Here you can see today I have changed the password and password expiry never, password inactive never. That means root users password is not expired, and what we'll do, we will try to reset the password again. And for that we have to mount the root user in read write mode, root partition in read write mode using the command mount -o remount rw slash. It will mount the root partition in read write mode. Okay, mount -o remount rw slash. Now we'll change the password using the passwd command, passwd root, give the new password, give the password again, and the password token updatedly. All authentication tokens updated successful. That means password for the root user changed. Okay. Now what I have to do? We have to create a auto relabel file using the command touch slash dot auto relabel auto relabel. So what will happen? It will create a auto label file, relabel file in slash location. And why this is required? Whenever there is a AC Linux in enforcing mode, we have to create a auto relabel file so that it will automatically relabel all the configuration that we had changed. Here we have changed the root password. That's why we have to create a auto relabel file in slash location. Okay. Now restart the server using the command exec slash sbin slash init. Hit enter. It will take some time. You have to wait for this. Here you can see Linux auto relabel warning, AC Linux targeted policy relabel is required. Okay, that means AC Linux is trying to relabel all the configuration we have changed. It will take some time. Now you can see relabeling /bkp1, bkp2, boot, sda2. It is trying to relabel all the configuration files from all the partition. I hope relabel is completed. Now try to log into the server. I hope the root user password will work. You can see I am able to log in with the new password for the root user. So as I told you, SC Linux is enabled in my server. You have to check using the command SC status. You can see SC status enabled and current mode is enforcing. That means when SC Linux is enabled and in enforcing mode in your server, any configuration you have changed, to make that change effective, you have to create a auto relabel file so that the change will be work. Else it will not change and it will log that configuration file. That's why whenever I change the root user's password, it not worked and not allowed me to log into the server with new password. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. And if you want to register, you have to go to my comment section and register yourself. Thanks for watching this video.